What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. Today we are unboxing and taking a first look at the brand new smartwatch called the Zeblaze Thor 4 Pro. So you can buy this for about $120 and from what I've seen online it looks pretty cool, but I guess we'll have to see how it looks in reality. So this is a watch that has 4G connectivity, so it can take a SIM card. We have a 1.6-inch screen, we have a quad-core processor, 1 gig of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, and this should be running a full version of Android 7.1. So it sounds pretty cool on paper, but again, let's see how it looks in reality. And with that being said, let's get this box open and check out the watch. Alright, so the box is wrapped in plastic. We're gonna remove this plastic from here. On the back here, it basically says what comes in the box. We don't really see any specifications, and we have a couple of stickers that we'll cut open. Okay, we have a picture of the watch on the front here, and the watch comes in a little bag, but I want to see what else comes in the box here. So first of all, we have a little user manual, which I'll probably never read. We'll leave that aside. We have the charging cable. So this attaches to the back of the watch with magnets. Not my favorite system out there, but it is what it is. So we'll leave those aside. We'll put a box there, and the watch itself. So it doesn't look as big as I imagined. I thought that this would be as big as that Lemfo M7, but it does look much smaller. So the back here is made out of plastic from the looks of it. We have the heart rate monitor right here. Here we have a little plastic door that I can't really open. Okay, so that's the slot for the SIM card. But we'll put this back. This is the charging dock for the watch. And the straps seem to be made out of, well, they seem like fake leather. They don't feel bad, but definitely fake leather. The watch itself seems to be made out of metal, so at least this part is made out of metal. We have a couple of buttons here, and we also have a camera, and if I remember right, that's a 5 megapixel camera. And at the bottom here we seem to have the speaker or the microphone, because since this has a SIM card, you can actually make phone calls from this. So we have a little screen protector on the screen, which I'm gonna remove because I don't like screen protectors. We'll turn this on. Yay, and we see the Zeblaze logo there. And I guess I'm just gonna set it up, and I'll come back after I have it set up, so I don't make this video like 25 minutes long. And I am back much sooner than I thought, because I thought it would take longer to set this up, but no, I just turned it on and it turned on to this screen here. So first of all, we are missing a part of the screen. I guess that's the design. Doesn't look that amazing, but at least the cutout is not as big as we had it on the Lemfo M7. So it is a bit more acceptable. However, I would have preferred to have the round screen, not have a cutout at the bottom there. So let's see how bright this screen goes. So it does look pretty bright. I'm curious to see how it looks outside. For now I'm gonna lower the brightness just so you can see it better on the camera. What else do we have here? So we're not connected to any Bluetooth devices. We don't have a SIM card. This would be like the task killer, and here you can control your music. And if we swipe up, you can basically see how many steps you've done, how many kilometers, and calories. So if we swipe this way, we would see the notifications, so just as we've seen on all the other watches. And if we swipe this way, we get to all the settings here. So we have a bunch of apps installed. So we even have the Play Store, which is great. And yeah, we have all the regular stuff that we've seen in the past. So we should be able to connect to Wi-Fi as well. Let's see what Wi-Fi networks show up. We'll see if we have, yeah. So yeah, we have dual band Wi-Fi because my 5G network shows up. So we have dual band Wi-Fi connectivity. We have GPS as well. I'm not sure how well that works. I'm gonna have to check that out for the full review. So going back here, to settings, hold on, let's find the settings again. So settings, sound display, sleep after 15 seconds, let's make that 2 minutes. So I believe that this watch has 600 milliamp hour battery, so I'm hoping we'll be able to make it run an entire day, but we'll have to see. Now I haven't seen anywhere the settings for oh, okay, gestures. That's what I was looking for. Screen on rising. So basically, if we lock the screen and we do this, the screen should come on. Okay, it came on. Let's do that again. So it does come on, but it's not the quickest out there. So it comes on, but definitely not the quickest out there. Let me turn up the brightness so you can see it better when it comes on. So lock the screen again. So it does come on, but it's not the quickest out there. The same that we've seen in the past with many watches, unfortunately. Now for watch faces, we do have a bunch of them. Let's see how to change them. So if I hold this pressed, I can change it to this one. Oops. I can change it to that one. We have a bunch of watch faces that come pre-installed, and I'm pretty sure that you can install more. So if we go to the end here, but you'd have to be connected to Wi-Fi for sure. So that's let's select this one for now. So yeah, this is how the watch looks. For the first impressions, it looks okay. I mean, the screen looks better than I was expecting. The cutout here isn't as big as I thought it would be, and that's good, but I'm not happy how the screen turns on, because it takes a little while to turn on. See? So that could become annoying after a while. Hopefully that can be addressed in a software update, because I don't believe that this watch has been released quite yet. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing and hands-on. Of course, we have the camera right there. It's a 5 megapixel camera, so you should be able to take pictures with the camera. I'm not sure how good the pictures will turn out. We'll definitely check that out for the full review. The heart rate monitor for fitness. What do we have for fitness here? Run outdoors. What else? Walking, running, bike ride and such. I'm not sure if these actually use outdoor walk, the GPS unit inside the watch, because some of them don't actually, so I don't think this will actually use the GPS unit inside the watch. But I'll definitely have to use this a bit and see how it does for that. So that's about it for the unboxing and the hands-on with the Zeblaze Thor 4 Pro. What do you guys think of this watch? Would this be something that could replace your smartphone at some point? Or what do you think about these watches that run for a full version of Android? Alright, well, don't forget to press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll have a review ready in a few days after I get a chance to use this a bit more.